These battery-operated wall sconces were sent to me by the brand, and they have been such a stylish and convenient lighting upgrade. Each sconce comes with a rechargeable bulb that's easy to install. No wiring, no drilling, and no hassle. You can mount them anywhere, by the bed, in the hallway, or even in a reading nook. The remote control lets you adjust brightness and switch between warm and cool tones, so you can set the perfect mood for any space. I really like that they're dimmable and completely cordless. It gives you that clean, modern look without the clutter. The rechargeable bulbs hold a good charge, and the overall design feels sleek and versatile. Whether you're decorating a bedroom, living room, or office, these sconces add warmth and style without needing an electrician. If you're looking for an easy, elegant lighting solution, this set makes any room feel cozy and refined.